John with PadPrinters.com. We're talking about adjusting the angle of your rotary table here. We've installed the rotary table, but when I home it, my ball is not in position. So what we need to do in order to get it in position is I've gone ahead and loosened these 4 screws here on the center of the hub of the dial, and then there's this collar that you can see I've loosened a little bit so it can rotate. Now in order to figure out, I want to get this nest centered underneath the pad. So I'm going to put the machine in stepping motion, which is this button right here, stepping motion, and I'm going to actuate my pad down with this button, like this, so I can get a reference of where I'm at. Now I can move the dial because it's free floating at this moment because again I've loosened these. I can step my pad down a little more. Get this guy as close to the middle as I can, close to the North Pole, and then you tighten this collar. Oops. And the screws. So I'm fixing the position of the dial to the hub. Again, this is for the TOSH TRCN2S. This is the 490 millimeter diameter dial, which is intended for the Micro 90 with 1 or 2 90 millimeter ink cups and 100 by 200 millimeter clichés. So that's how you adjust the angle. Once I got that, I think I'm good. I'm going to hit enter and just back this guy up out of the way. And the other thing that you can check too is what kind of clearance you have to your guarding. So I may have dropped this table down a little bit too low when I change the height of the work arm in assembling this. I can hit the E-stop here to take power away from the table. And then I can just manually move this back and forth, and as you can see I have probably 10 or 15 millimeters of clearance. So if I wanted to have minimal pad distance, minimal pad stroke, and a faster cycle, I could loosen up the clamp over here and dial this guy up about 10 millimeters to reduce that clearance right here by 10 millimeters, so the ball would just barely be clearing the guarding, which saves you time in your cycle and makes it so you can operate a little quicker. So there's the height adjustment and radial adjustment of the rotary dial.